There are a lot of things that a physiotherapist can do where even a doctor cannot do anything. We come into play. We make them walk. So this is what makes me happy, and I'm proud to be a physiotherapist.
What I want to emphasize most is it's not just a treatment, it's a personal relationship. That matters a lot.
Being a physio, I realized I could do a lot of things. I mean, getting a smile on a patient's face was like one of my biggest achievements.
When the person is out of the walker, out of the crutch and out of the stick, and he starts walking, it feels like, the baby which we started grooming up from the hospital, he started walking independently without any instability. So those things are like, very memorable for us.
There is a real personal and individual care for the patient that goes beyond a pure customer relationship. Patient will feel very happy to take physio at home.
You get an improvement, even a smallest improvement in a patient makes you happy as well as the patient's relatives. Even a slightest improvement in them makes them happy because they know they're stepping into the future.
We believe in teamwork, focusing not only on treating the problem, but on identifying and treating the root cause of the problem.
Becoming a physiotherapist was like a dream come true for me because when I was in 12th standard, I met with an accident where a lot of doctors and a lot of physios helped me a lot. That day I thought, okay, let me be one of them so that I can also serve mankind.
Moreover, we make patients feel safe and comfortable. They are happy taking the service at the comfort of their home.
End of the day, when you treat your patients, be it pain or any other issues, when they go back with a smiling face, their problem relieved, nothing gives you more satisfaction than that.
यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है। हाँ, यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है। तुझे अब ये दिखाना